What's new in FloorPlan 2026? Reference images can be used during rendering through Home Design Copilot to guide the AI toward a desired design style or appearance. To begin, open the Copilot, then open a project in the 3D view. Next, select Image Studio and click on the Prompt section. In this demonstration, a photorealistic rendering is first generated and then saved. However, creating a photorealistic rendering is not mandatory. You can also use the original project image or any suitable image as the reference, depending on your design requirements. Reference images help the AI better understand the visual style, materials, colors, and overall appearance you want to achieve, resulting in more accurate and consistent design concepts. Next, select the Selected File option from the Input drop-down menu and open the saved image. After loading the image, assign it as Reference Image 1, Reference Image 2, or Reference Image 3, depending on your requirements. Multiple reference images can be added to provide additional visual guidance. This allows the AI to combine characteristics from different images and generate results that more closely match your intended design style. After selecting the reference images, enter a descriptive text prompt explaining the design style, modifications, or improvements you want to achieve. The more specific and detailed the prompt, the better the AI can understand your requirements and produce results that align with your expectations. Finally, click the Submit button. The Copilot will analyze both the text prompt and the selected reference image or images. Within a few seconds, it will generate a high-quality, AI-powered result that reflects the visual references and the design instructions provided in the prompt. This combination of reference images and text prompts makes it easier to create customized, realistic, and visually consistent home design concepts. Thanks for watching.